Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
We have just seen the provisions that relate to patent claim drafting. Patent claim drafting can also be limited by the subject matter of what you are claiming. In other words, if the subject matter is something which you cannot claim, then that is something that you need to bear in mind, because you cannot have an invention that can be patented. Now, there are some subject matter that is excluded from the scope of an invention under the Act. So, needless to say, you cannot be drafting a claim on those subject matters. Now, let's just look at some of the exceptions to patentability. Types of claim that are not allowed. Now, claims contrary to well-established natural laws will not be allowed. This comes under Section 3. There are a host of exceptions in Section 3. Claims pertaining to scientific principle or abstract theory, again, will not be allowed. Method of agriculture is something that will not be allowed. And claims covering plants and animals will not be allowed. Claims for business method, a mathematical method, or an algorithm will not be allowed. Claims for a method of performing a mental task, method of playing a game, will likewise not be allowed. And claim for presenting of information, for a presentation of information like a PPT or what you are seeing right now, cannot be a subject matter of a claim. Atomic energy is also excluded from the definition of an invention by way of Section 4 of the Patents Act. Inventions relating to atomic energy will not be granted a patent, so you have to be wary of claims covering atomic energy.